situation sa kitchen, hugason. Any tubig, nag-set up na ako para iligo ni Benedict. Benedict is already crying right now. After the kids is eating, we're eating outside here. Nga napakahuga. They're playing sa car. And wala pa sila ligo. This is the inside. Wala pa na hipos, panihugaw. Thank you. Preparation sa pagligo. After na pagligo ni Benedict. Do not come inside because you're still dirty. Do not come inside. You go outside. Wait for me to call you. Benedict is already crying. Potty is already empty though. And kalat yapon. So our first task is to ligo Benedict so that he will shut up. Ligoan siya dali and then makatulog na siya to give more time for me to prepare the twins. To ligo Benedict, already carrying Benedict, but Asha came because she doesn't want her shorts anymore, her pants anymore. She wants a new pants because it's wet apparently. So we're going to put new pants on her. Yeah, push it up. Pull it up there. Maybe go muna sa gawas, please. I will call you when it's time for you to ligo. Thank you. Time check is 1:03 p.m. What happened? Why are you crying? You want to ligo? Yeah, after Benedict, I will ligo you, okay? But can you play outside for now? Okay. I need my slippers, please, because I'm going to ligo Benedict. So that's the issue now. Pahilapan. I'm going to put it to the bottom. Finish ligo, release diapers, and then try to clean that. Time check 1:16. Time check 1:25. He's done. Nasya sa matiri. Sa kuko, first time. Nasa Marshall sa kuko. He's wearing white t-shirt. I use daan clothes na sando sa mga kambal to make it like a swaddle to relax him a bit while I'll clean his sleeping space. Okay, that kambal is still outside playing currently. Checking on them by sounds. So nalimpyuhan na yung ilong, nalimpyuhan na tanan, limpyuhan na siya. So now is the bed. This is what I have to deal with every day. Note, limpyo pa ni. Let's check on the kids. Are you okay? Don't go too far, okay? I will call you later, okay, to ligo? Yeah, 2 eggs. Good job. Yes. Yes. Yes, it bumpy's eggs. Wow. Let me clean here, okay? I will call you to ligo later. Wait for me. Yes, it's Bumpy's egg. So he's calm because of the swaddling. Let's continue cleaning. What is that? Baby, don't turn on the water, please. Turn it off. Thank you. I don't know if you can see, but hey. Turn it off, please. Thank you. cable cords are everywhere because they play with it, saying that they caught a fish. Almost done. Pag outside, there's a bug. Usually I have to vacuum the kilid because there's a lot of food crumbs. But now, naa siya food crumbs pero dili kay grabe. So mapasay lupa. And if mag-vacuum ko ron, I'd have to set up the extension wires and whatnot. It's a bit time consuming. So no vacuum for now. I cannot transfer him right now. He's so comfy there. I have to clean this first. Update, na-check na akong kambal. Time check is 1:42. Na-check na akong kambal. They wanted me to watch them play because they were rolling the pipe and fishing. So there, I watched them play for like a few seconds. Nahipos na ako ang CR, nandiri ang table, nahipos na ang heater. So, pwede na ako sila. As soon as maman ako ng bed, kaning outside lang dire, bahala wala pa ni dire, is pwede na ako maliguan ng kambal. So, that's it. They wanted me to watch them again. Okay, you rolling. Great job. Okay, how about you? How are you playing? Like that? Oh, fishing. Nice. Fish. Good job. Okay, I have to go back there and fix the bed. After that, I will call you to Ligo, okay? Bye for now. Check this. 1:58. I already cleaned these. The cake breadcrumbs. And I've checked the twins. I just put the ladder there because they requested to climb the ladder. This, I already swept the floor. Clean, hugaw kaya po na hugas ang plato and hugaw kaya po na misa, but at least na siligan na. So today is si Benedict is already sleeping. So now is the crib, the cave, o kaning area is still dirty, pero ang floor diri nga bit is already clean. Karon ang buhaton na ako is mag-prepare of clothes, magligo sa kambal. But I highly doubt if magpaligo na ang kambal karon. So, muuna sa ako ligo. Or maniligo sa gawas. This baby will get, This baby will get, seatbelt. Mag-seatbelt na siya. Pwede siya mahulog. Update, time check 2:05. I prepared the clothes. I cleaned the floors today. Floor lang, wala pang feed. He woke up because I transferred him because I was really worried. Seatbeltan ako siya, but I was really worried na lamukon siya. So I transferred him and now he's awake and he's crying. I asked the twins if maligo na sila. They said no, they still want to play. So now I'm contemplating what's next. I don't know what's next. I swept the floor already. I guess ako maligo. Probably that or maniligo sa gawas. I'm going to leave him there and he will just sleep after all he's swaddled anyway. Update. Time check 2:23. He's crying / is about to go to sleep. He's fine. I already nagaligo na sila karon, but I cleaned the tub for them so that they can swim while I'll do the dishes. And I cleaned that tub because it was moldy. I already cleaned here. It's not super clean, but at least, hindi na kaya grabe ang langaw. So I already also cleaned the table. So now they're going to ligo there. Are you okay? Are you okay? You swimming? Going to swim there while I'll wash the dishes here. Yes. Time check 3:20. The twins are done ligo. I'm also done ligo. They're currently eating eggs right now. I cooked scrambled eggs for them. because they said they were hungry. They're very cold already, so they got super cold. As in they were shaking na. Kaya nadugay ko og ugas sa mga plato. Kaya tagtag ko plato. Nagtagang gusto na naligo sila half lang sa, and then naligo ko full, and then itiwas na ko sila half. Nangurog na sila. So, akong bantayanan karon is Aksha. Kaya pag tugnaw na siya nga up to the point na nag-shake is kalintura siya. So, pag ingon nila karon nga they're hungry, I cook scrambled eggs, and after that they have to sleep. And this guy was already hysterical because he's so hungry. Karon pa siya nakadede. Last dede niya is I think 12. What? Are you done? Are you done eating eggs?
Yeah.
There's water there, and then you go sleep. You go sleep na sa big bed, please. Good night. Love you.
One more.
What?
One more.
There's no more eggs, baby. I only cooked 2 eggs.
2 eggs?
Yeah, those are the 2 eggs. And I can't move right now because nagpa-dede ko. Benedict is dede. Don't eat from the floor. That's dirty. If you're done na, put the bowl and the spoon on the table, please. Aksha, if you're done, please go na sleep. Aksha, are you... Ryan, don't forget to drink water, ha? Thank you, Ryan. You can just put that on the table. Oops. Thank you, baby. You drink water, baby? There's water there in the blue cup. There you go. Thank you. Good night. So, this is now the aftermath. Trying to sleep. Kana na lang dito ang wala na nagpiwan ang sulod sa crib. Ay. Nagpatulog na ako. Time check 3:27. Nagdede si kamay ay nalilisit ako. Kay gutom pa dyan daw kayo siya. Ouch.
Mommy.
I'll call you.
Mommy, let me try.
Yeah, you will. You will after. Let me try kakaroon nila.
Okay, let me try.
I will call you.
Just try in 2 minutes.
It's Ryan's turn to dede. Like 3 minutes na ang kambal. No? Benedict mo. You're sharing your dede.